What's up, YouTube? We got it running. Got the dirt bike running we just bought. Yeah, guys. We took the wires apart, and he stuck a screwdriver in the thing because he thought it was messed up, and it shocked the crap out of him, he said. So, yeah. I don't know. He's coming back around. I'm going to show y'all. Smokes, but... Holy crap! That's what it is right there.
What?
I'll show them the brand.
Oh! Talk about quick, son!
My seat fell off.
Need carb clean for sure.
Yep, we'll give it a little carb tune, but it rides. And we got it for $190. That's a pretty good deal. And it's loud.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Just give it throttle and kick it. You gotta kick it harder than that.
I know.
What are you doing? Kick it.
I do get it. Bounces back up.
You're not letting it come up.
You have choke on when you're driving it?
At this point, I'm about to bump start this motherfucker.
Ooh, what was that?
Kickstarter slip.
Drive down a hill and bump start it. Oh, you had it. It drives good, boys. It probably does need a carb clean, but we're not going to worry about that. Well, we are going to worry about that. We're going to fix it, but it probably just needs a carb clean at this point. Just a carb clean should fix it. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, put the post notification bells on so you know when we upload another one. And he's ripping down the road right now. He's already gonna pass by. But yeah, that thing is a ripper. I'm gonna flip y'all around because he's probably gonna be coming back through there. He will. I bet. Right through there on the little tree line through the road. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get some content in this sucker. You ought to see him go up the road. Right there he is. Should be coming up here. I don't know, guys. I'll catch on when we get down to the road. He just said the chain snapped. Did it?
Yeah, but I got it back together. How loose that thing is.
Yeah. I was about to get some videos of you riding down through here. Is my dad up there?
We're gonna go fix the car.
Yeah. You think since it's been running, it'd start up easy, but it has been sitting for a while, I say. Yeah.
And you can't manage to kick it.
When it carbs clean, it should be easy to kick.
God. I wish I had somebody to help me kick.
Well, here, let me kick it again.
You won't. You can't.
I'm too tall. My legs are long for a freaking kick that little thing.
It doesn't matter how long your legs are.
Every time I kick it, it just bounces back up.
Kick it. Don't mess it up.
Alright guys, we got it running pretty minty right now, guys. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. We got it running pretty darn minty. But yeah, the only way I can fit on there is if I unbuckle my pants with my belt. But it is a freaking ripper. I swear it's a ripper. 2 people on there. We had a PW80. It's a 50 and it's faster than a PW80. Don't know how it's possible, but it is. Holy shit! Holy crap! Oh, he is freaking hauling. You know what? Yeah, you think that thing's a 50. It's scary as crap with 2 people on it. I'm telling you, it's freaking scary. He was telling me, oh, no, it ain't that scary with 2 people. You're just not, no, it's freaking scary. Alright, YouTube, we will catch y'all next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, put the post notification bells on. We'll make part 2 probably tomorrow. We'll be riding it and stuff. But yeah, catch y'all tomorrow.